Today in this class we have to discuss about representing real numbers on the number line. In previous section you have seen that any real number has a decimal expansion. This helps us to represent it on the number line. Let us see how. Suppose we want to locate 2.665 on the number line. We know that this lies between 2 and 3. Suppose we divide this into 10 equal parts and mark each point of a division in this figure. Then the first mark to the right of the 2 will be represent 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, the next and so on. You might be finding some difficulty in observing these points. Observing these points of division between, that is 2 and 3 in this figure. To have a clear view of the same, you may take a magnifying glass. We have to take here, this is called magnifying glass, and look at the portion between 2 and 3. It will look like what you see in the first figure. See here, 2 and 3, 2.1, second one 2.2, third one 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8 and 2.9. Now 2.665 lies between 2.6 and 2.7. See this figure. We imagine to divide this again into 10 equal parts. See, in between 2.6 and 2.7, again we divide it into how many equal parts? 10 equal parts. 2.61, 2.62, 2.63, 2.64, 2.65, 2.66, 2.67, 2.68, 2.69 up to 2.7. The first mark will represent from 2.61. The next is 2.62 and so on. To see this clearly, we magnify this as shown in figure. Again, 2.665 lies between 2.66 and 2.67. See, already we are dividing into 10 equal parts from 2.6 and 2.7. In between 2.6 and 2.7, 2.61, 2.62, 2.63, 2.64, 2.65, 2.66, 2.67, 2.68 and 2.69 up to 2.67. Let us focus on this portion of the number line from 2.66 and 2.67, because 2.665 lies between 2.66 and 2.67. Let us focus on this portion of the number line and imagine to divide it again into 10 equal parts. We magnify it to see it better in this figure. See, now between 2.66 and 2.67, see, first mark will represent 2.661 and 2.662, 2.663, 2.664 and 2.665. 2.665. Finally, we located here 2.665 is the fifth mark in these subdivisions. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth mark will be in these subdivisions. Dear students, we call this process of visualization of representations of numbers on the number line through a magnifying glass. As the process of successive magnification. Dear students, in next class we have to discuss about operations on real numbers. Thank you.